Welcome to CSM's annual open enrollment. At CSM, we believe that happy and healthy associates are the key to our success as an organization. We strive to offer you and your eligible family members a complete and affordable benefits package. Throughout this video, we will share with you what is changing in today's healthcare marketplace, what is new for 2016, important steps all employees must take at this year's open enrollment. Open enrollment is an important part of making sure you have selected the right healthcare options for you and your family. It is the perfect time to review your benefit options available through CSM or any other benefit source. Example, your spouse's employer, individual markets, or the public exchange. Use this once-a-year opportunity to make changes to your benefits, like signing up for new plans, changing your level of coverage, and reviewing the available voluntary programs. To assist in your open enrollment elections, all benefit-eligible employees will receive a 2016 open enrollment packet. This packet contains a description of the benefits offered for 2016 and various tools to help you make your benefit elections. CSM's open enrollment period begins on Monday, November 9th and ends on Saturday, November 21st. Put this date on your calendar because if you need to make changes, you must take action during this time period. Any changes you make will take effect January 1st, 2016. After this open enrollment period, you cannot make changes until the next open enrollment period, unless you have a qualifying life event. Let's look at what is changing in today's healthcare marketplace. You may have heard about some changes due to healthcare reform, more formally known as the Affordable Care Act or ACA. For the purposes of this year's open enrollment, what you need to know is that our medical plan option is compliant with the essential standards set by the new law. And we have taken all measurable steps to ensure we meet or beat the affordability mandate. It is important to know about the individual mandate, which states that everyone needs to have health insurance. If someone is not covered, they may then have to pay a penalty. In addition, the new healthcare standards have placed increased financial pressures. Individual public exchange platforms are reporting 15 to 50% increases in premiums across the country, and employer-sponsored health plans nationally are reporting premium increases between 5 and 15%. While we've tried as an organization to make every attempt to limit the impact to our employees, our associates will experience contribution increases ranging from 0 to 15% over current premium costs, depending on the plan or level of dependent coverage selected. Please look at your open enrollment packet for complete pricing details. New for 2016. CSM is proud to offer you and your eligible family members a complete benefit package, one which includes choice and flexibility to help meet the needs of you and your family. Medical. CSM will continue to provide two medical plans, a traditional PPO, otherwise known as a copay plan, and a high-deductible health plan with a health savings account, HSA. The traditional PPO offers lower deductible limits and convenient copays for office visits and prescriptions in exchange for slightly higher premiums. The high-deductible health plan trades slightly lower premiums for higher deductibles and coinsurance on all services and can be combined with a health savings account. Both plans offer preventive health care coverage at 100%. And continue to use the same great Blue Cross Blue Shield national network. To help reduce the effect of our renewal increase, we made the following changes to our plans. 1. Effective January 1st, 2016, both plans will have a slightly higher out-of-pocket maximum for its members. Your out-of-pocket maximum is protection against catastrophic claim costs and will now not exceed $5,000 per single and $10,000 per family under either plan. While most members do not experience out-of-pocket expenses up to this amount in any given plan year, you must consider how this may impact you and/or your enrolled dependent or dependents in the year ahead. 2. In 2016, the deductible carryover provisions will be eliminated. This means that a member's deductible will not roll over to the next plan year regardless of when the service is incurred. Deductible will now reset every January 1st. 3. The PPO plan supports generic drug use where possible by having a flat $10 generic drug copay. As a reminder, new generic drugs are being introduced every month. It is important to continue to use the most cost-effective generic drugs where possible to help you control your out-of-pocket expenses. We will also be adopting a new specialty prescription drug benefit of 20% member coinsurance to a max of $500 per prescription. Specialty drugs, however, are typically prescribed to treat rare and high-risk chronic conditions. While less than 1% of CSM plans participants currently encounter specialty drug needs, these drugs average $1,000 to $20,000 per prescription. The addition of a specialty prescription benefit helps us be in line with marketplace norms. 4. To continue to provide you with low-cost treatment options, CSM is pleased to offer Doctor On Demand, a new telemedicine option. What is Doctor On Demand? Doctor On Demand is a video telemedicine company offering on-demand and scheduled video visits with U.S. licensed physicians, psychologists, and lactation consultants. This service is available in most states. How does it work? Doctor On Demand is a mobile application that can be downloaded onto any smartphone, tablet, or computer with a front-facing camera. You can then coordinate immediate and convenient access to care for you or your eligible family members. Within just a few minutes, you can sign up and connect to a U.S. licensed provider. The average wait time to connect to an urgent care physician is 90 seconds. And common issues treated include urgent care, cough, cold, flu, rash, pink eye, sports injury, bug bite, urinary tract infection, vomiting, sore throat. Mental health, depression, anxiety, work-related stress, relationship issues, smoking cessation, ADHD, mood changes, trauma, eating disorders. Did you know the average urgent care or office visit is $114 or more, and the average emergency room visit costs more than $1,000? Instead, by using Doctor On Demand's convenient telemedicine option, you could pay between $10 to $40 depending on the plan you selected, all within the convenience of your own home, office, or on the go. Download the app today so the next time you are considering going to urgent care or the emergency room, you can experience for yourself the new Doctor On Demand service. CSM will continue to provide a no tobacco discount of $25 per pay period for those subscribers and covered dependents who are not tobacco users. CSM will also maintain the in-force spousal surcharge of $50 per pay period if your spouse has coverage available through their employer. If you are enrolled in the high-deductible health plan, you are eligible to participate in the HSA. A health savings account, HSA, is an account that can be set up to pay for current and future medical expenses with pre-tax contributions. How does an HSA work? An HSA works along with your high-deductible health plan. You decide if you want to use your HSA dollars or your personal funds to pay for your deductible and/or coinsurance as you go. The HSA is your account, so the balance at the end of the year will roll forward into the next plan year and can be taken with you if you leave the company. There is no risk of losing the money in this account at the end of the year. Flexible Spending Account. The Medical Flexible Spending Accounts, FSA, is another way to help control your healthcare costs. You can set aside money before taxes and use this to pay for certain qualified medical expenses not covered by the health plan. The Dependent Care Flexible Spending Account is a way to help earn extra tax savings on certain qualified dependent care expenses such as child care. Plan your annual flexible spending account contribution amounts carefully. The election you make when you enroll is binding for the entire plan year, January 1st to December 31st, and what you don't use will be forfeited. You must enroll each year, as this benefit does not roll over. Dental and Vision. In addition to ensuring your medical needs are met, we recognize that having healthy, strong teeth and seeing clearly are important. That's why CSM provides associates with dental and vision coverage. This year, our dental and vision plans will not change, and the rates will be the same for 2016. Life, disability, and voluntary benefits. Open enrollment is always a great opportunity to revisit voluntary benefits also available to you. In addition to employer-paid basic life and disability offerings as defined in your benefit guides, all benefit-eligible employees have the opportunity to purchase the following through Assurant: additional voluntary life insurance. Buy up short-term disability protection to protect your income in the event of unanticipated time away from work due to qualified medical needs. Accident insurance to cover a wide variety of injuries and accident-related expenses. Note, this is a great and cost-effective way to protect against out-of-pocket medical expenses in the event of unforeseen medical needs. And critical illness and/or cancer policies illness. As you explore your benefit options for the 2016 calendar year, we strongly encourage you to review the information in your open enrollment folders. If you would like to make changes to existing elections or enroll for the first time, you must fill out the enrollment form or forms found in your enrollment folder. The enrollment form or forms must be turned in no later than Saturday, November 21st. Field Associates, please give the signed and dated form to your manager. Corporate Associates, please place the signed and dated form in the mail slot in the HR department on the secure door entrance for payroll. As a friendly reminder, flexible spending account elections do not roll over from plan year to plan year. All participants must complete a new election for the 2016 plan year. In the event we do not receive your enrollment paperwork by November 21st, and you are not already participating in CSM's benefit plan offerings, we will assume and document that you have waived your rights to coverage for the 2016 plan year. If you experience a qualifying life event after this annual enrollment period for reasons such as a birth, marriage, divorce, loss of other coverage, please contact your manager or HR representative for assistance within 31 days of your life event. At CSM, we value you and all you do. Should you have any questions as it pertains to open enrollment, please don't hesitate to contact your manager or human resources.